Welcome to the world of plumber. Sir, please tell me your name, your company's name, and where are you from?
Hi, my name is Jawal. I am from Shree Khodiyar Enterprise, Vasai, Mumbai.
How excited you are?
Too much excited to know the new brands which the company will be launching very soon.
Since how long you have been associated with plumber?
Almost around 20 to 25 years.
What makes the brand plumber different from other brands available in the market?
The good service, good availability of the material and the proper arrangement by the company and the distributor in the Bombay. It's been a very long time when the company has started the business with us, and now it's been growing too much and they are taking all the dealers together, so it will be great to know how it goes further.
Any message that you want to say to our heads of family?
Good luck for the new brand which they are starting.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a wonderful
Thank
day
you.
ahead.